Peace and blessings. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, today I am going to be bringing you two beautiful styles using my custom frontal and my custom 4x4 closure. Yes, they both are simply amazing, and I'm going to show you just how to use them. They are as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's jump into this video. Peace and blessings, fam. Today, yes, today, I am going to bring you a beautiful, exceptional style. One of my favorite hairstyles for achieving beautiful, gorgeous looks without hair damage is crochet braids. And as you can see here, today my client does have some significant alopecia and some significant hair loss. Yes, but no worries, ladies. My client today has come about 5 hours. She drove 5.5 hours to get to me to get her hair done today, and she will not be let down. Second hydration, I first moisturize and hydrate with my hair growth butter, and then I go in with my hair growth oil. Yes, because I want to make sure that my client's hair is well hydrated, because unfortunately people, I just have to put it out there, are not moisturizing and hydrating their hair regularly like they should. So when you leave, I want to make sure that your hair is definitely hydrated to my satisfaction. So as you can see here, I always take my time with my clients. I love on my clients' hair because this is what I love doing, and promoting hair growth, because I have many clients who have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, damaged hair. I want to make sure that I'm loving on their hair and giving their hair the TLC that it needs: rest, relax, and most of all, grow. So here you just see me filling in. I'm going to make this nice and full because I don't want anyone to know that she has any hair loss in any areas. So I'm also going to add a pop of color. You guys going to see me add in a different color. Yes, that is a number 30 that I threw in there just to give this style a pop. And oh my gosh, look at this. Look how natural it looks. This looks like her own natural hair on the sides, on her edges. As you remember, she had no edges, no sides. Now look, she can wear this in many styles. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Your natural hair, you are still pulling on your natural braids. You are still pulling on your hair. So this way you are not putting any tension, any stress, and any pulling on your natural hair. It's all on the cap. And look at that part. You can't tell me that doesn't look like her natural scalp. And that's what my custom closure and my custom frontal does for you. It gives you that natural scalp looking, and no one will ever know that you have any hair loss or any hair thinning. If you found this video of value and you are here for the first time, please subscribe and tap that bell to support my channel. Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas. Okay, ladies, are you dealing with thin hair, alopecia, hair loss, and you are just frustrated and not sure what style to get? Well, look what you can still wear, even with your hair loss. You can wear beautiful styles just like this. No matter what hair condition your hair is in, I got you, ladies. My client here, she came in because she has had some additional hair loss due to her medication that she was taking for her cancer, and she lost all of her hair and it came back, but not in certain areas. So as you can see here, I am installing some beautiful passion twist crochets. They are 12 inches long, and she has a burgundy ombre. It's a light burgundy, a dark burgundy going into a light burgundy. Here is the method that I'm using. You take one piece of hair, you install the passion twist on, and then I got some more braiding hair just to give her natural hair some more security so that I'm not just braiding her natural hair. To make it stronger, I added a piece of braiding hair, and then I braided that braid just into a single braid. And here, as you can see, look at the passion twist. It's versatile. It'll move forward, back, into the side. And I did that all in the front. And then the back, I did her braids going from side to side. And I added a crochet cap. The crochet cap is to protect her natural hair, and so that I will be crocheting mainly on that cap and not her natural hair, because I want to reduce as much tension and pulling on her natural hair as possible. I started in the front because I wanted to make sure that her front was nice and full, because that's where she has the majority of her hair loss at. And then I worked my way around to the sides, to the bottom, and now I'm crocheting in the middle. This is going to give her the fullness that she wants in all the areas. And look at this, ladies. Look at this beautiful style. It's versatile. She can wear a left side, a right side part, or even pull this back off of her face. This came out absolutely gorgeous, and I was so happy to just be able to help her. So just don't think that because you have hair loss you can't wear beautiful styles. You can. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.